Docling versus unstructured. Choosing the right document processing tool can transform how you extract and manage data without wasting time on manual tasks. Both tools offer powerful automation but differ in approach and capabilities. Docling and Unstructured both automate document processing but focus on different strengths. Docling emphasizes structured data extraction with AI-powered workflows, while Unstructured specializes in handling diverse, complex document types using advanced parsing and flexible integration. Docling is an AI-driven document processing platform designed to automate extraction of structured data from documents like invoices, contracts, and forms. It uses machine learning models to identify key fields and convert unstructured documents into organized, usable data. Users upload files, and Docling's AI parses and validates the content, reducing manual review. Its strengths lie in customizable workflows and high accuracy for standardized document types. Docling integrates seamlessly with business systems, making it ideal for companies needing reliable automation for repetitive document processing tasks. However, its focus on structured data means it may struggle with highly varied or unconventional documents. Docling suits users looking for efficiency in processing large volumes of similar documents with minimal configuration. Unstructured is a document processing tool built to handle a wide variety of document formats and complex content types. It leverages advanced parsing techniques and AI to extract meaningful information from documents that don't fit traditional templates, including emails, reports, and mixed format files. Unstructured excels at flexible data extraction, adapting to diverse input without extensive setup. This makes it powerful for organizations dealing with heterogeneous document collections or needing to analyze content beyond simple fields. While it offers great versatility, the trade-off is sometimes lower precision on highly standardized forms compared to specialized tools. Unstructured is best suited for users who require broad document coverage and the ability to customize extraction logic for complex workflows. Comparing Docling and Unstructured highlights key trade-offs. Docling delivers high accuracy and speed for structured, repetitive documents like invoices or contracts, making it perfect for finance and legal teams focused on efficiency. Unstructured provides flexibility to process varied and complex documents, ideal for research, customer support, or industries with diverse data sources. Docling requires less customization but is less adaptable to unusual formats. Unstructured demands more setup but handles complexity and mixed content better. For businesses prioritizing precision and integration in standard workflows, Docling is a strong choice. For those needing broad document type support and adaptable extraction, Unstructured stands out. Choose Docling if your focus is fast, accurate processing of structured documents with minimal setup and strong integration capabilities. Opt for Unstructured when your document types are diverse and complex, requiring flexible extraction and customization. Both tools excel in different scenarios, so select based on your document variety and workflow needs to maximize automation efficiency.